Okay, so here I am. Already applied some on the sponge they had given me. And as you can see, there are scratches on the handle. All right. Honestly, I think it's worked. Let me see some. Oh yeah, it did the job.
A little too much there.
Huh?
Got a little too much there. Putting some muscle into it now.
I'm loving this product. Scratch is completely gone. Completely gone. Look, no scratch whatsoever. Completely gone. Highly recommend this product. Highly recommend. Now I'm gonna look around my entire cart to see what other scratches I have. Highly recommend it. Look, absolutely gorgeous. Love it. Now I'm really gonna look for scratches.